Hey everybody, welcome to the How to PC channel. My name is Nick. In this video, I wanna do a tutorial on this website, artlist.io. This website combines many different AI tools, and today I will briefly show you the full functionality of this website. So let's get started. First of all, to open up this website, just type in the search box Artlist and go to this website, www.artlist.io. Best all-in-one video platform. So let's open up it, and I advise you to create an account right now. To do it, click on sign in at the top right, and now at the very bottom find sign up. Click on it. On this page you need to fill these three fields or just continue with your Google account, and after that at the top right you will see your account. Okay, finally we can start using this website. By the way, now I have a free plan, so free trial. If you click on pricing at the top right, you will see all plans which this site provides. So there are 4 plans: Music SFX, AI Suite, Footage and Templates, and Artlist Max. So this is the standard mode, and for business, for companies with 50 plus employees and agencies of all sizes. So there is the custom price for your company. Let's get back to the website. And on the left side, you can find a lot of interesting tabs: Home, Music, Footage, Sound Effects, AI Voiceover, AI Image and Video, Templates, LUTs, and Tools. So let's get started with the second tab, Music. And here you will see the page dedicated to music. So here you can filter the music, find the necessary one, and of course download it. The next tab is Footage. On this page you can find a lot of interesting videos and images which you can use for your projects. For example, you can easily download it, filter them, and find the necessary one. The next one is Sound Effects. You can find the interesting sounds. For example, popping bubble notification. You can of course download it. And the next step is very interesting. The next step is AI voiceover. So you probably know something about text to video or voice to voice AIs. For example, if you would like to create a voice, an AI voice, you can type here something on your language. For example, hi everyone, my name is Nick. And then you can select here the necessary language, accent, emotion, speed, and so on, and then generate the speech. Click on it, but be careful because for free plan you will have only 3 voiceovers. And here's our result.
Hi everyone, my name is Nick.
Yeah, this is the result. So unfortunately, as I said, you have only 2 voiceovers for a free plan, and it's pretty bad. And unlike 11 Labs, for example, this website provides much smaller points for voiceover generation. It's really sad. Okay, let's click on the next tab, AI Image and Video Generation. So here for free plan you will have 5 images and 1 video. So what about pros of this website? You will have all in one platform, all these AIs on one website. It's very convenient, but for it you have to pay. Okay, so let me show you the next feature, text to image. Let's describe something. For example, let's type here girl on a cloud. Here you can select the necessary aspect ratio and also change amount of images per generation, and then click on generate for free. Our image is generating now. Also you can generate image to video. So first of all, let's generate an image, and then we can upload this image right here and generate a video by this image. Okay, and here is our result. So the result is pretty interesting. This is an anime style, as you can see. Okay, now let's close it. And let me show you how to generate a video by using this image. So to do it, just click on animate button right here. Okay, now you will see this image right here, and click on animate for free at the bottom right. Now let me show you the generated video. So here it is. Only 5 seconds, but anyway, this is a pretty interesting video which you can use for your projects. Okay, let's close it. And now let's move to the next page. So templates. You can easily use it. You'll be able to download this template and edit it in most popular editors. For example, Adobe After Effects, Premiere Pro, Final Cut Pro, or DaVinci Resolve. The next step is LUTs. So let me just show you what does this tab contain. Okay. And the last one is Tools, the most interesting tab. Unfortunately, for a free plan, this feature isn't available, but I can show you what you will get if you will select the paid plan. So Artlist library extension for Premiere Pro. Stay in your creative flow with Artlist assets right inside Premiere Pro. Search and download music and sound effects, generate and download AI voiceovers, drag and drop assets into your timeline. So you can import this tool right in your Premiere Pro and use it in this software. The next tool is AI Assistant extension. Edit better and faster with AI-powered capabilities in Premiere Pro. So you can automatically remove unwanted sciences from your timelines, highlight key moments in your video with auto zoom. Right here you can see how it looks like. Very, very interesting. And the last tool is professional plugins. So get more than 50 plugins for color grading, visual effects, motion graphics, and something else. By the way, you can use these plugins not only for Premiere Pro, but also for After Effects, Final Cut Pro, and DaVinci Resolve. And of course, you can find your downloads right here. You can add something to favorites if you would like to do it. So I think the website is really interesting. So if you're willing to pay for your convenience, this website is for you. But anyway, I think the plans are pretty expensive. So it was my review. I really hope my video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.